Good morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today's video is about NIO and where it's going in the next 10 years or even the next month. This is not a NIO. My first car was a 1964 Ford Falcon with red interior. It was beautiful. That red interior, I would love it today. It was such a classic, but I hated it at the time. And it was automatic transmission. So the next car was a Chevelle SS396. Really hot car. Very simple. You could actually work on the engine and stuff. This video, lots of people post videos on YouTube about their cars, and this is just one of those ones. You can find them anywhere. It's just from Sam Space 81. Nice car, but not a NIO. NIO is a Chinese auto company. It's a beautiful car. Has so many features on it that I don't even know anything about. Look at that car. That's beautiful. The Telsa's nice too. Okay, the NIO. You can't buy a NIO in the United States. Telsa you can, starting around 40 grand on up. But to get it out of the showroom, a Telsa probably $70,000-$80,000. This is a beautiful car. Look at that. Anyway, this is a video from the Norwegian sector. NIO just opened up a factory and an outlet in Europe, so they are expanding. This looks like a cheaper version of their video. Looks nice. Now the problem is this company is not selling any cars, and they're not able to sell any cars in the United States. Although NIO is listed on the stock exchange and has gotten lots of favorable news. Recently there was a chip shortage which caused NIO stock to crash, and I bought it unfortunately at the higher end. And have a losing trade, just a small trade, but losing. But I do think that NIO is a stock for the next 30 years. But in China, you have a lot of high-rise apartments, so anybody that's buying a NIO will need to be able to plug it in, and there's not a lot of opportunities for that. So what they've done is they've come up with a way of replacing the battery entirely. By the way, this video is from Invest with Henry, and he's got a financial website. Speaks very clearly as a young man. I believe he's a college professor, and I think you would enjoy his videos. I would recommend subscribing to it. Watch this video in its entirety. I did it and learned a lot. NIO is often known as the Telsa of China. I believe that NIO is here to stay. It's a company that's going to be around. They're going to work out all their issues on the semiconductors. They're a unique and novel way of battery change, where you get a new battery. It's a fast-growing company in Europe and a fast-growing company in China. And China is where all the drivers are going to be in the next decade. So you must decide whether you're going to own Telsa or NIO or both. I've owned NIO since the end of February, around in here, and I thought at that time it was going to bounce up, but it didn't. It continued on down and never reached its level where I need it to be. Again, it's down at the bottom at its support level, and I need it to come up. The stochastic RSI says it's oversold, and so does the RSI. But will it stop? No one knows. This is what a FinViz chart looks like. I always go to it a lot. And it looked like it was trading as high as 64, 65, and now it's at 32, trading at half. And it's still bouncing off its support. Not bouncing, it's not bouncing. It looks like it might want to try to go below the support. FinViz puts the target price at 53, up in here somewhere. There's no forward PE or PE, so that means this is not a profitable company. Not paying a dividend. It is optional and shortable, and it does have a buy recommendation, but just barely a moderate buy. It's not, and I do believe it's a buy for the long term. Lots of people are trading it. April 23rd, about a month ago, buy to 50. There's a buy to 60. Morgan Stanley, somewhere in between 33 and 80. Motley Fool did an article. Let's take a look at that. Produced today, and a video. Yes, I've seen this somewhere before. A lot of people are betting on the CEO, and I've seen a little bit of video with him on it. Very professional looking, short haircut, very knowledgeable, and Baidu and Tenet. These are all companies that, if you're investing in Chinese stocks, which I have a Chinese wife, so that's why I'm interested in the China end of it. But I also believe that this decade will be China's decade, especially since our weakening American government and our weakening position around the world. I believe that China will step in and fill. And besides, they have a lot of people and buyers and consumers. NIO, Baidu, and Tencent are all in my portfolio. Telsa I have listed, but I've never traded that stock yet. But I believe it's on a discount right now. Taking a look at tip ranks, we have stock forecast of 32.20. That's a current 32.20, and a forecast of 60.04 based on 10 analysts, and it's the average. A low of 38 or 39 and 61 or 81. We have a rating of 7. I like that. Hedge fund activity has decreased. Don't like that. New sentiment. There's a lot of people that are positive on this. The innovative battery swapping service, that's what makes them a little different. Do have a home charging solution, but like I say, a lot of people live in high rises. Not a lot of places to plug it in. You had a high of 61, 62, and now it's 32. That's half price. It's a half price sale. And as I said, it's not profitable. It has strong earnings, but they have production issues, and it closed down the plant because of this parts issues. Part of it is computer chips, and they have expansion in Norway, and of course Germany as well. 7, the ranking, moderate buy, target 60. Okay, let me summarize. This company has a large market cap. It's a China company. They're going to sell a lot of cars to China. The current price is $31.32. It's not profitable. It reported recently the earnings were good, but production scared everybody away and it gapped down. It is at a bargain price based on its target price. Using options that are 36 days away, we get an expected value of around $6. Using the current price and saying that expected move could go, of $6 can go either way, you add it to the current price and subtract it, and you get these as your target price. It's a 1-for-1 ratio. But if you don't like that ratio, you can use a 5% and a 2%, and that's the target price at 5%, $33.73, and $31.48, where you lose $20 and make $50. Always win more than you lose on a risk amount of about $1,000, and $1,000 will buy you 31 shares. Now let's just look at $6 again on our chart. This is TradingView, and it's free. Trading still at the low of the day. 32 plus 6 is 38, right in here. It should go to 40. Option says 38. I think it'll go to at least 38. These need to come around, or you can take a chance now. But it still looks like it's trending down. But I think that NIO is a buy soon, or if not, take a chance at it today. I think I might take a chance and add some more to my portfolio today. Well, that's what I have for you. I think NIO is a buy in the long term, and I think NIO will soon be in the short term. Whatever you think, that's up to you. Do your own due diligence. Make your own decisions. Do you like it? This is another YouTube channel, Driving Electric, and it goes over the NIO. Looks nice. Anyway, catch that video. Beautiful car. Big difference from the Chevy Chevelle 396. Technology has changed. The future is here. EV, electric vehicles, are not leaving us. Let's get with the program. Happy trading. Catch you on the flip. Please like and subscribe. Catch you soon.